Hi everyone. Today, what we would be discussing is regarding email campaigns. What we would be doing is that we would be having a comparison over the tools that are being used currently in the market. So, for that purpose, here is the list of the tools that are quite popular in the market right now, which includes Mailchimp, MailerLite, Sendinblue, Mustind, and so on. In order to understand the features and the free plan, first what we have to do is understand the difference between emails and contacts. So contacts are the ones which are the potential leads which you add up into the tool, and the emails are the total number of emails that you can send within the plan that you have purchased. So in MailZip, the total number of contacts that are available are 500, and the emails per month are 1,000. In MailerLite, it is 1,000 contacts and 12,000 emails per month. Sendinblue gives you the flexibility that you can add as many contacts as you want, but the total number of emails that you can send daily are 300. In Musend, you can add up to 1,000 contacts, but you can send as many emails as you want. In Benchmark, there are 500 contacts and 3,500 emails per month. In Omnisend, there are 250 contacts and 500 emails per month, and the list goes so on. Whereas if we talk about the features in the free plan, they would be giving you basic templates so that you do not have to start it from the scratch, and the editors would be somewhat similar. In order to make the tools a bit more interesting, they provide automations and segmentation, otherwise reporting into the features. If we go on to the paid plan, for MailChimp, it is $13 per month. For MailerLite, it is $10 per month. For Sendinblue, it is $25 per month. So what they are doing is they are changing the features a bit, and according to that, they have set the pricing. So in MailChimp, what they are providing is they would be providing you the A/B testing. A/B testing is basically making two emails at a time and comparing them both, or which one is better, and the better one is sent to the potential clients. And the total number of contacts that you can add in the paid plan for MailChimp are 50,000 contacts. If we talk about Sendinblue, there is no email limit. There would be advanced automation. You can create landing pages over there, and the feature of A/B testing would be also available. If we talk about Email Octopus, the number of emails are unlimited, and they are providing advanced automation. And beyond all, which email marketing tools do not provide is the support, 24/7 support, which Email Octopus is providing.